Welcome to our virtual tour at 2119 Hadley Street. Location, location, location. This three-story single-family corner lot is located in the east of downtown. Yes, walkable distance to downtown area in a prime location close to all major freeways and local shops and festivals. Come and enjoy the inner loop city amenities and lifestyle. This charming property is very spacious. The layout of 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a very sleek and stylish hardwood floors in all living areas. This floor plan offers all natural lights throughout the entire house. The gourmet kitchen has a modern touch. This unique corner lot has a side and front yard for all your friends and family gatherings. As you may be able to see throughout this virtual tour, all the natural lights coming in that reflect in the high-end hardwood floors and very stylish materials. Now let's dive into taking a look at the property, and we will be reflecting on the major key points of the showing. Notice very high ceilings throughout the entire property that give the sense of space, and not only that, it gives the sense of comfort. Walking into the kitchen, the modern again one more time with granite countertops, walk-in pantry, and a very sleek style. Looking into the third level of the property, we notice that there's a possibility to set a mini living room with the appreciation of the high ceilings. Now let's dive into the third level. The first thing we find is the master bedroom, and if you notice, all the lights and the outstanding view from the bathroom with the privacy, and from the bedroom to the downtown area.